Hi, I'm so glad you tuned into the ICEBUDDY Show. I'm your host, Pamela Norris. I promised on our last show to begin sharing lifestyle applications of the ICEBUDDY system. Remember, changes are necessary if we are to make sure we're prepared at all times. My goodness, it's already the holiday season, and many of us are going to make arrangements to go visit family and friends. Booking travel reservations and packing suitcases causes enough stress. So let's see if using an ICEBUDDY system can help you be prepared in case Murphy's Law kicks in to try and sabotage your trip. When booking travel reservations, it is important to plan how to keep your medication requiring refrigeration cold in transit. Flight delays and cancellations may seem like a mere inconvenience at first, but if you or a family member is traveling with medication requiring refrigeration, this can pose a major problem with potentially severe financial and medical consequences. Imagine thinking that you would be at your destination in more than enough time to refrigerate your medication, only to discover you are now snowed in or otherwise detained in an airport, train, or bus station for a day or more before you can get out. We have all seen pictures of people sleeping on the floor or stretched out on chairs in airports during blizzards. What if you are the one stranded and unable to return home or to get to a hotel? What happens to your medication? You certainly will not be able to ask one of the fast food vendors to keep it in their refrigerator until you get rescheduled. In a perfect world, airports, bus, and train stations would have ICEBUDDYs available for passengers in this predicament. But institutions take a long time to change their business practice. Your health and well-being is at stake, so you must be proactive and prepare by taking matters into your own hands. By making a lifestyle change that entails carrying your cooler whenever you travel, you can be assured peace of mind and have what you need to keep your medication cool. Okay, so we've addressed safeguarding your medication, but what about those pesky situations when the airports lose or misplace your luggage and the only clothes you have are the ones on your back? Well, this is where the Q-Pack comes to the rescue. Since you can bring aboard one piece of carry-on luggage, why not make it the Q-Pack? Remember, it comes with a bag specifically for carrying a change of clothing, and it is big enough to carry your personal care items, a great book to read, snacks, and much, much more. Also, the top of the Q-Pack unzips to carry the cooler. So now you have everything you need in one compact bag that goes through TSA X-ray machines easily and fits in overhead compartments. So breathe that sigh of relief. Everyone should be able to enjoy life to the fullest, and that can only happen if we are prepared. The ICEBUDDY system gives you freedom to travel with peace of mind. So plan that trip and have a great vacation. We'll miss you, but look forward to you coming back to tell us all the ways you used your ICEBUDDY. So bon voyage, and remember to keep cool and carry on.